Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video here on Aviation Code, and today's video is very exciting because as you've read on the title, Airbus has delivered the world's first Airbus A330Neo to the launch operator, which is TAP Air Portugal. The aircraft performed its first flight just a year ago, and it has already been delivered for the Portuguese carrier. The Airbus A330Neo will join TAP's fleet of the Airbus A320neo, the A321neo, and the A321 long range in the near future. And this is all part of TAP's plan to modernize its fleet and become a more competitive carrier. With the combination of single aisle and wide body neo aircraft, TAP, which is the TAP Air Portugal, will cover all of its potential regional and long-haul routes for decades to come. The first Airbus A330-900neo for TAP, which has a registration CSTUB, happens to be the same aircraft that was used by Airbus as part of the route proving campaign earlier in the summer. In 2015, TAP converted its A350 order for the A330neo and has committed to 21 aircraft of the type. The Airbus A330neo of TAP has Wi-Fi and the latest generation personal entertainment system. The aircraft has a cabin configuration of 3 classes: business class, economy plus, and economy. There are 34 full flat business class seats, 96 economy plus seats, and 168 economy seats on board the A330neo, and as Airbus has said, it guarantees each passenger a comfortable flight with more personal space, latest generation connectivity, and a quieter cabin. TAP Air Portugal has yet to release the routes and starting dates for commercial service on this aircraft, but as we get more information, I will be updating everything on my Instagram at Insider Flyer, so please follow me on Instagram for that. I hope you enjoyed the images, and I'll leave you with a few more photos of the amazing aircraft and the interior. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.